That's the same as Jeffrey's caddy. We took the...
Yeah, when you take them down to that point, you know, you start to see all the flaws that came from the factory.
Skirts. And took them... Oh, he did too. They usually...
Maybe that's Jeffrey's.
It could be. It, they normally are about this tall.
Oh yeah. Yep.
And so we took it, cut it, and got the load on the bottom.
Just like top seal, quarter panel seal. We always do that.
Silver bullet.
Blue, no nasty.
Okay, then maybe not Jeffrey's.
Thing's so big I can't get it on frame, except for 30 feet away.
Yeah. Yeah.
Custom, I would say so. Oh boy. Oh, I love it.
Lunch.
Yeah, isn't that great?
My buddy Jimmy, I for Jimmy, he died of like this guy about to saw you.
So you got this part, right? Help you.
Yeah,
Chrome for the sides.
then I got, you got different teeth, but I got all teeth. I got the
Thank you.
155 volts.
All right.
rocket.
I just put on power disc brakes, radiator, suspension. I had to rewire a bunch of crap because I had a hot start problem with that motor in there. So I had to use the old Ford.
Filming this for my friend Mark.
Pretty, you know, it was like say you had a
There's another Malloy toy for you, Mark. It's 53. It's a cool custom.
during the day, like today.
Oh, I didn't catch the license plate earlier. Did you clear coat it or something?
Parts of it have clear coat, the top's clear coated, but most of it's just waxed.
Oh, okay.
And we try not to get it wet too much.
There you go. Beautiful truck.
Yeah. Should see some really pretty cars today.
Oh yeah, there are already some really nice stuff here.
I think the weather's going to hold out too.
Yeah, I was looking on the computer this morning, and it's not supposed to rain, but
There was this cloud cover.
I know.
Perfect.
Yeah, it was the folks behind me put up that canopy, and I said, "Are you expecting rain or sun?" They go, "Either way, we're ready."
Covered, yeah. Either way, we might be all huddled around.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I brought one, but I didn't put it up yet. Boy, that's a pretty truck.